This is the special guest. I'm joking. I'm just teasing. We've got an actual special guest, but this is a semi-special guest, the Raphael C. Let's go overhead here and chuck this on. All right. Ooh.
So 140.
And that's it. We're done. I'm joking. So yes, do you wanna
148 scale. Raphael C. EC 17 Provence 2012.
2012.
2012. Yeah.
So that's the year.
Oh.
I believe that EC 1 to 7 Provence, refers to maybe the squadron.
Oh.
So the place that flies this in France, because this is a French aircraft.
Oh.
So the French. Do you have an issue with the French? Oui, baguette. This is a French designed aircraft for their navy, I believe.
Oh.
They can land on carriers. At least what I know, and that refers to this big yellow tail, which also refers to the tiger meat. I'm pretty sure. So, back a while ago in Europe, all the air forces would come.
Yeah.
And they would meet each other.
Yeah.
And they would show each other their weapons.
Oh.
And they'd show each other their machines and their aircraft. And one of the rules was you had to paint the tail or the aircraft in a tiger scheme.
Oh.
It was called like tiger meat. So you had all these countries coming with all their different aircraft, and they were painting tiger-themed paint schemes on their airplanes.
Yeah.
So like America had the F-111 one year with the big tiger on it, and there was just a bunch of airplanes. But this would be France's version.
Is that always paint on the tails, or it can have on the body or something?
It can have it on the body as well. A really good example of this would be the Greek Air Force.
Oh, Greek. Oh.
So if you're interested in like paint schemes of aircraft, this is to you guys at home from the corner down there. Look up Greek aircraft. They paint a lot of the like really old, ancient paintings on the bottoms of the aircraft. Yeah, it's like a really special thing. But this would be referred to as a high visibility scheme. So it's easy to see because of the yellow tail.
Yeah.
A low visibility scheme, it would just have bare minimum of what it needs.
Yeah.
It might even have the roundels in like grey so that you can't see it from the ground. But yeah, let's get in. I'm sick of just talking about this thing. I want to have a look. First thing I noticed was you have a bit of 3M tape here. See that red bit?
Yeah.
They've put like double-sided sticky tape on this.
Why?
I think it's to protect this little sensor.
Oh, okay. Real sensor.
But why? That's the first thing I thought is why? Why would you not just make that a part?
Yeah.
That you glue on, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyway, beggars can't be choosers, right? Let's take that out over there.
Yeah.
Take this out here. Do a really quick unboxing.
Yeah.
I'm just going to say that this kit actually looks fantastic. I've seen someone build this online.
Oh.
And the detail is just absolutely superb.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah.
So we had a couple of complaints about this brand not so long ago, but that's because they do two types of things. They design their own models like this, and they put in a heap of effort and a heap of work, and they come out really, really nice. And then they rebox some really weird stuff.
Oh.
And when they rebox weird stuff, it's usually from brands that haven't been around since the 90s. So they're not as great. So you have to pick and choose with this brand, whether you want like a really premium model like this with all of this beautiful detail and nice subtle crisp lines, or if you want molds made by someone like 40, 50 years ago. So yeah, but in this bag, you're going to be getting the cockpit tub, ejection seat.
Yeah.
It has little fins. It's like got little catfish fins on the nose. So because it's a delta wing, you can see here.
Oh, it's like.
Yeah, it's got like little wings, like the
J20.
Don't come at the J20 like that.
Yeah.
No, I like the J20. The J20 is really cool. And then you've got some more wings here. There you go. This is a Rafale model. So this has been reboxed by Academy by Rafale. So that's exactly what I was talking about.
Yeah.
But this does look like a really, really nice kit. And what Academy have done is they've given you the option to do some really cool stuff with it. So they've reboxed it and they've put in some unique decals to this scheme. And this is where I believe they've changed the game. So this would be their sprues that they have designed, I believe. These aren't from Rafale. So the kit I was just showing you before was from Rafale, but this wasn't. So this is all designed by Academy to make it a little bit better. So you got wheelbase, your wheels. I believe that is an extra fuel tank pylon. You've got all your sensors and some fins for your missiles, some more weapons. And yeah, so that's that. You've got your instruction manual over here with some pretty crude drawings. You got your paint schemes there. Put all this back. Another one with all of your paints on it here. So these are all the paints. And then that's all the building process there.
Looks clear.
It's pretty clear. Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Yeah.
I like building Academy. I've got the B1 I'm thinking about. So the decals you get, Iran, I'm pretty sure. France, Spain.
Oh.
That's it. You get 3 schemes in this kit. So this is the tiger meat that we're talking about.
Yeah.
Which is really cool. I like the fact that they've left the middle decals off. So you can paint this if you like.
Oh,
because it can be sometimes really hard to put a decal down like this big.
I can
with all
see,
the compound curves.
Yeah.
So you can, if you've got the right solutions. Otherwise, you can just use these and paint that on with an airbrush, which could look good.
Yeah.
Nice decal stencils and also printed by DXM Decals. So this is a classic Academy move. They've just done some regular decals. Nothing cartograph or anything. Yeah, really exciting. Let me jump.